I'm Susan Harrow, media coach, marketing strategist, and founder of PRSecrets.com. I work with everyone from CEOs to celebrity chefs, entrepreneurs, and authors, so everything they do, say, are, and think is in complete alignment before they begin a PR campaign so they get the results they want. I'm here today to share a 60-second soundbite secret. What are soundbites? Mark Twain called an aphorism a minimum of sound to a maximum of sense, and I think this describes a soundbite well. A soundbite is your essential point, your talking points, or exactly what you want to convey to your audience. And you should have about 6 of them. They should be from 10 seconds to 30 seconds maximum. And they consist of everything from stories, statistics, anecdotes, facts, analogies, and vignettes. So you can mix them all up and use them in a conversational way. They should also be modular, meaning that you create them in blocks so you can add on to them. And you also want to have them be flexible, so you can tell the same story in a different way to an audience of moms, which would be different if you were talking to an audience of movie moguls. If you'd like to learn more about how to create sound bites and media coaching, I invite you to join my newsletter at PRSecrets.com. I also have articles and teleclasses, so I invite you to go to PRSecrets.com